Cause I promise the people in my live stream say yo, me gonna play 1,000 Vybz Kartel song. And them have to donate $250 Jamaican dollar, which is $1.50 US.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Chronicler, you're not tired, bad man. You're not tired. What do you just come out of jail from out of ice, you know?
2,000 years later.
Yo, let me tell you something. Well, I want to first call me say Masicka flap. But him flap in a summer jam.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I notice from Masicka announced the album to Blood Clear Dancehall Jai Up.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
When you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know, big up on yourself. You understand? Yeah, man. But people, we see Necko fire run out. A bag of thing. You understand? I don't know him start, you know, the Gaza thing, you know, but I be a man this a go on, you know. I be a man this a go on the internet, people. But we're going to have it down here, I say. You see it?
Alright, I need the public help, you know, to find some Vybz Kartel song from them time that till now. Cause I promise the people in my live stream say yo, me gonna play 1,000 Vybz Kartel song. And them have to donate $250 Jamaican dollar, which is $1.50 US. For every time I play a Vybz Kartel song. So I never know, so the public would react that way there. Cause I have some of my friends that say them in Gaza. You understand? And see there? I got 60,000 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50. 1, 2, 10. 50 and 10 and 60. So that is 210 Vybz Kartel song when I have to play already. So I tell them say, I 1,000 me I play. So this Friday. So hopefully everybody pay for the song them when me I go play. But I want to comment and comment some song. More at least 1,000 comment. Or 1,030 comment. You understand? Because I want some Vybz Kartel song. You see me? So I'm do the right thing, man. I share that video now.
Yo, that you a craft man in a people. Necko fire, may I tell you. You can't take them money serious, dog. May I tell you. You can't take them money serious, people. You see me? Yeah, man.
It's Friday, July 10th, you know. For my live stream on TikTok. 8 o'clock. Yeah. Me go see how far it reach. But so far, me have to pay 210. See that them pay feed. 210 Vybz Kartel song. Me have to play this Friday. And we are go up to 1,000. Because them say me can't play 1,000, you know. And me tell them say me I go play 1,000. So, $250 donation, Jamaican dollar for one song. $1.50 US. You see me? When you comment the Vybz Kartel song, they make me hear.
So yeah, my side, we'll come back to another video, you know. See, you tell me this week up on this first thing greet me. Chronicler, mugshot on the Broward County page over Facebook. See, charge them my side some firearm related charges, and at the same time he was a person that was barred. You see me I say? So I don't know what go on. Police come down now, but they find him with prohibited guns, sir. No jokes about it. Machinery, firearm. Chronicler, you're not tired, bad man. You're not tired. What do you just come out of jail from out of ice, you know? And you come on, come drop song, you put in your song out people. I wish you don't fall on them fucker. The brother, nobody now wish you don't fall on the brother. You make your choices, them, you know?
And at that, me always a talk about. You understand? Them money are forward in a dancehall music just to make dancehall artists look like them type of thing, I'm a G. You understand? So what them represent for the music, are them thing are the man, them are the bro. But can't serve for your man we get a second chance in a G. You get a first chance in a brother and you come do the same thing again, bro. You understand? When I do music and say when you rich and one bag of something, brother, when you get some security guard or something, bro. When you can't get some at least one and then roll with your dogs them. But brother, come like say yo, you just ban for this and you can't just put it down. You can't do whatever you do, you have a smarter way to do it in a G. You understand? You always make you near. Brother, them things are getting damage in your career in a G. You understand? People see always a real area and then them not want in them country, me G. You understand? A some joke thing this. If you know say man forward out with the and the man get locked up again, make you sorry for your brother. You understand? Yeah, man. Young God have to go deal with that. You see it?
Just like other artists, nobody now wish for don't fall in a brother. Who know make a decision and choices, them that are gonna fuck up. And then one time when I get to myself and I probably never talk about people I like on a brother. People are hobby, you know. I wanna get a fight, brother. My side in the article it say, you know, Chronicler, him nothing. Have no gun, enough own a gun, enough possess a gun due to the, you know, the little charges them. What he must see a boss off from what year. And
you know this are the same thing, you know. people. Sometimes when I hear them say, yo, System and Kartel, and me I say, brother, Kartel put himself in the position, you know me, G. All of them thing there with him people, them a laptop and this tech way and all of these things, me G. Things been a happen. You understand? I saw the system offer you. If you live good, system no care about you. If you do the right thing, system no care about you, me G. You see when you have certain negative and certain energy around you, me G, yes, system will take you as piss. You see what my G say? You can't dead and you do back-to-back things and I do things and when the system offer you now, you say, yo, them a fight you, them a this. Just do the right thing, me G. You understand? And stop get yourself caught up in a situations. You see me? Una artist, una there for do music. If una not do music and not do badness, you can't do badness, brother, and do music at the same time. Especially when you involve yourself. You see what my Jai say, dog? Because you're going to lose everything. You maybe lose your life. You get all 60, 50 years. You understand? So you just have to focus on the thing, brother. You see it?
If we man stay up on the safe and narrow part on my side, look like some my boy still a roll with pew pew. Still a roll with pew pew, brother. As I say, artists don't have to take heed, bro. We don't have to take heed, dog. If we don't want to go down, we can't deal with the gun right and proper way. You know, we can just legally own gun and done. Bro, using a vision, dog. Bro, we can legally own gun, daddy. Just legally own gun and done, everything will good, bad, man. But if we don't move them type of way, dog, people go look upon that type of way and say, yo, but come like we don't have intention. We don't know if we have gun, but we don't have gun. People go look upon us and say, yo, we must have intention then, bro. No jokes. I'm on my side. At this moment, wake up to. Chronicle, you must be in a bro. Jail down in Florida. You see me? Right now, they not give no bail. No bail, no set fee in my side. You see me? I say, but then still have him.
Yo,
People want to hear what Necko Fire say. Boy, I mean, I know that. Necko Fire, I don't know. But people, hear what one.
I'm telling you something. One of the first come say Masicka flap. But him flap, not so much jam. Him not broke no bread boy, you know. Him not run no gift. Man not send no lion. What am I do for the youth them? You see our boss, he make sure take care of him. That's how we out here can flap for him and talk for him. Yes, straight. The man they just send no lion and make sure say everybody on our side good. We must get out do. Him not do.
So wait, that we might talk say him lion. Cause he not get no lion, so he must say, yo, that brother can control the Gaza people. I mean, I'm dangerous, you know. Man, no if take pressure off himself in the people. Remember me tell you that, dog.
Nothing for nobody. Him not do nothing for nobody. Master can go up on internet in a robe and underpants and make the whole internet get mad. And the girls them love it. Master can do that. Master can solo show. Tall belt we give them, man. Tall belt. Master them ticket cheap. Nobody no rate Masicka them. Nobody no rate Masicka them. Masicka them a bust the artists. Masicka them a do no good for dancehall. Masicka them have range. Masicka them have Rose Rice. Masicka them have big house. Fully man. Fully Gaza. Fully Gaza. That me I tell you.
Yo, John.
Them boy not send no lion. Call out come talk about yo. Them buy out Necko Fire. No boy can buy me out. But Masicka don't send no lion.
Jaja, yo, them man here, me I tell them, dangerous.
And a lion we are work for here. Lion we are work for. King of the jungle. Lion.
I notice from Masicka announcing the album to Blood Clear Dancehall Jai Up. Oh God, I know me hear the new song.
Brother, you know you not no sense. You not no sense, you know. What do you mean you not hear no new song? You know say a World Cup time, G. I'm telling you, man, you might tell you about them baby crooks, you know. You not no sense, you know, dog. You live in one little world by yourself. What you mean, boy, you know, you artist a drop song, me G. You understand? A World Cup time, you know. So if you're in the big leagues and you drop a song, come like nothing. You see me? That's one of them things there.
Sing your latest song where I run a place. In a dancehall, what one? Me bomba clad. This is from Masicka announcing album. I announcing Barkley show. I know me not see nobody up jump no song. Me not see Kartel them. No man, Kartel comes from one big joke at the pussy clad. One big joker. Me not lie. Good legacy, good career. But right now Kartel just turn on big puppy show. Yeah man, anything for likes and clout. Yeah, but me not hear the Kartel them, the Mavado them, the Javinci them, the Popcorn them. Me not hear the Alkaline them. Me not hear the Malie them. Me not hear the... What one? What the bumbuck like going in a dancehall?
Brother, everybody are focused on World Cup right now, you know me, G. You understand? I just one of them things, the dog. You see me? As me say, World Cup time, I know. Nobody not to tune into the music like that. You see me? Until July the 19th. Then we can get back to the stage. But for now, you know that go. You see me? So I just one of them thing that people. You see it. If you just, if you're not meds nothing right now, you have to just go and do what you have to do. You see it? You have to just go and do what you have to do. I tell you that. Some joke thing. Some joke thing this right now, people. I tell you that. You see me? But we see Malie run out. You see me?
Like say.
Them say Malie they on stage and a bag of thing. Skipper thing. I say yo. You feel like the skipper the last time skipper said something, he must say no clash, so I don't know. But you don't know Malie Dan is a man. Him ready anytime, people. Me I tell you, Malie Dan ready anytime. So when I see this, me I say, yo, brother, but women are like the man him put the badness in the thing too serious, me G. You understand?
Cause some man are going like say. Listen man. How 100 it we have? How I fuck this man? No boy, you hear that and a fully 6 outside.
Yeah, man. Yo, man, not even see clash and thing away. I say, brother, no just pack up that thing and wait, I forgot wait till December, dog. You understand? Cause that Jaja youth. And to me, if you clash to me know Malie Dan I don't think even something there even and maybe not and skip on a war no. I don't think him have the potential for war, you understand? But we're gonna see still because I'm gonna try to stem up something, is it? Yeah, man, I just one of them thing them on, you see it. Well, if the man never go clash, just keep it musically. It's even this badness thing. See where it do send people at jail. You understand? Yeah, man, the boy Malie a rocky crowd, man. Me I tell you, boy, I rock the crowd, man.
It's been confirmed.
Yeah, man. So me I tell the people, I know nothing normal, my G. Is it? I know nothing normal. Is it, man? Yeah, man. I just one of them thing there. Is it?
Ari, aka DJ Ari, for today, and I'm representing none other than Stock Ashley for La Playa Privada. The 26th of July and the 27th is a clash. So you don't know today. I'm gonna let you know that I know Stock Ashley since the Banana remix, but the Stock Ashley that
So that show you in Antigua with Alkaline, July the 26th.
me love, I don't want to say, I'm too young, just a girl having fun. Sorry for the misunderstand, no, John, no, me just a forward, me not ready for settle down. Oh no, me need my funds, yeah. Road off a run, work for me once, so me not need no one. Still no waste, man, can't get none. Stand that up and it never drop. Squeeze my neck, squeeze my breast. You do it best, you release my stress. Come panty less, not easy access. Yeah, sex without ties are the best. Yeah. It doesn't work.
Yeah, man, people, me I tell you, say, yo, La Playa now go normal down Antigua there, you see me? Yeah, man, promotional team out. You don't know, skip on Alkaline.
Officially pay a bad bit to suck it over for Brazilian here. Don't know the play for July the 26th. Well. Boom, you know, it's really representing for the vendetta done. Well, yo. Baby, bounce me now. Rest your standard to the ground for me now. Take it out right down for me now. Hear me? Baby, come and spoil you again.
Yeah, man, people. It's no normal, man, down there go loud. I tell you that. And I'm not normal. Don't have applaud there. Is it? No go easy, people. I have to just watch and see. You see me? Yeah, man. You have to just watch and see, man. And see where you're going. You see it?
So why Alkaline gets so big?
I want to go on like saying Alkaline make himself that big, you know. Yes, Alkaline when I do him thing. But it's when Alkaline and Mavado star power. Alkaline gain Mavado fans them. And you know say Mavado and Kartel are the biggest thing. You understand? And that's why I blame Mavado, you know. Yeah, I blame Mavado. Mavado shouldn't get Alkaline strength. Because you see, oh, you come and disrespect, you know, I sound not ungrateful. But Mavado, you don't know the thing, or you're blessing on my G, and just go and keep up the good work.
You are telling man say give Alkaline strength. I don't understand this, brother. You think that's a strength, go me G? With strength? What kind of strength you talk about? The man them link up. If to me Alkaline make Mavado get the attention there, because without Alkaline, we wouldn't be talking about Mavado right now. You understand? When Mavado move Ghana foreign, nobody never damage him until the look at thing go on and Mavado say, yo, wanna fight youths and a bag of thing. Alkaline make him the inner the space. Make them a call him up for interview and a bag of thing, my G. You understand? It's all around Alkaline name. You see me? Some don't know what you mean by ungrateful because I never move out the bus Alkaline. So, how him fi be ungrateful? When the youth been a mash up the space, been a do him thing. Me not understand this, my G. You understand? Mavado never cut no key for Alkaline. Alkaline been make him name. You understand? I just one of them things, my G. Mavado never really active in the space like that. You see me? But me know to stay already.
You understand? Yeah, man, and that's why you know good to give anybody strength. You see me? Yeah, man, I go this side, make Alkaline so big. I'm a vex when time go this side when join with Alkaline. I did one black back in 2016. Yeah, 2017, 2018. I do some black.
Yo, I want to sick in on the brain, you know. That me I tell you, you know, my G.
Mavado why Alkaline gets so big?
I want to go on like saying.
You see me? On a sick dog. I tell you that. At the end of the day, you know. Give strength. Brother Alkaline have him own strength for a long time, G. You understand? Everything we happen right now because of Alkaline. Some don't know what you talk about. You see what my try say? And not just one of them things the people. People are going to fall out and say something. It don't even make any sense. You see me? Them just attack for your sakes because them hate artists and a bag of thing. Is it? You see Mavado father Jamaica for keep him for cancel him show at Jamaica. See? Alkaline they have him new rules. The youth set him thing, my G. You see me? Because the only reason why I not talk about Mavado right now is because of Alkaline. Just remember that. You see me? And him not have the fan base like that no more. It's not because of Alkaline. It's because Mavado never that active in a space to keep him people them like that. You see what my try say? I just one of them things them, G. You see it? But people, big up on yourself now. One media fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, big up. That is it.